Weather First with meteorologist Joshua Rivas.
All right, and good Thursday, everybody. Hope you're enjoying your Thursday out there. Now, here's the way we're playing it out as we go throughout the rest of today. We have the majority of the shower and storm activity as of early this afternoon over the Gulf of Mexico, but as we go into the evening, I think we'll be full swing with showers and storms, maybe a few storms, but mainly just showers across the area. Ahead of our next cold front, as we get past midnight tonight, we'll be clearing and cooling down for Friday. Could be chilly, temperatures in the 60s, with the breeze continuing as we go in the latter half of the weekend, namely late Saturday into Sunday morning. It gets pretty complex in terms of what the weather is going to do. We'll talk about that in just a second. What we do know for sure right now is that we have what we call a quasi-stationary frontal boundary. It basically means that it's moving very slow. It's not stationary, and it's not moving very quickly either. But as we go throughout this evening and overnight tonight, we're going to have some upper-level support to help swing the front all the way through, eventually clearing us out and bring us those cooler conditions. The moisture content, notice the blues, the deep moisture across the Nature Coast and Tampa Bay, but as that front moves through our area, it kind of goes away. It fizzles out. So the front will be weakening in terms of the moisture as it pushes through our area as the upper-level dynamics to help support shower and storm activity moves off towards the northeast very quickly, but still a good chance of some showers as we go throughout this evening. Friday into Saturday, it's going to be dry, so we'll see some more sunshine, cooler conditions. Now, by Sunday, take a look at this. One of our computer models has most of the moisture, at least the heavy moisture, down across the southeast and or towards our east. The other reliable computer model has some moisture over us. So it's a very complex pattern. This type of event that we're expecting going into the weekend, we see these every once in a while, and most of our models don't do a good job in forecasting the rainfall. So the way I see it playing out, I think we're going to see the clouds increase. At least some of us will see a chance of a shower or two across our area, maybe a thunderstorm or two. I don't think at this point we're going to see a widespread event across our area, but it likely will change as we go through the next few days. So I'll be monitoring it pretty closely. In the upper levels, the first trough here is located here, helping to increase the chances for the cooler temperatures Friday and Saturday. And then it's likely we're going to be seeing an even deeper trough digging down the eastern seaboard as we go in the mid part of next week. And what does that mean? Well, the forecast is still a little unclear as to exactly when we could see it, but there's a good chance we could see some low to mid 30s across our area. Pretty cold air coming down the eastern seaboard sometime mid to late of next week. As for now, the 30s will stay towards our north across North Florida and the Panhandle as we go to the first half of the weekend. But for tonight, we'll see some 40s back on the map, namely our northern counties and inland as they respond to the front. A chance of showers again mainly before midnight, a slight chance of a shower or two past midnight. The 70 forecast, well, say bye to the 70s and 80s and say hello to the 60s as we go the next 7 days. It's going to be pretty chilly across the majority of the period. Again, a very unclear pattern late Saturday and Sunday, a chance of rain either way you put it. But then after that, it looks like we'll clear the rain chances, turn up the breeze, and the temperatures in the 60s and lows